Want to start trading Forex but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to open a Forex trading account, even if you have never done it before. No stress, no confusion. Let's get started. There are 4 steps that you need to follow to open a trading account and start trading. You have to download this trading app, which is the trading app. You can get it from Google Play Store and Apple Store. MetaTrader 5. This is the app that you need to search and find and download, right? Once you have this app, you need to have a trading account. Now let's click on open this trading app, and that's our second step. You need to have a trading account. And third step, you need to link the account to this app. Once you have the trading account, you need to link the account to this app, and I'll show you how to do it. And our last step is to how to deposit money to this app and trade, withdraw. Simple. So let me show you the steps that you need to take. Since we've managed to download the app, we've clicked open, we have to accept the terms and conditions here. This app comes with a default demo, and this default demo comes with a minimum amount of money, which is 100,000. So you can actually use that amount of money to practice. So we click on open account. Now when we click on open account, we are presented with such options. So in this case, what we do, we don't actually put anything because this is not an account that we need. So we click on this icon over here. Once we click on this icon over here, this is what we see. We want to add a trading account, and that trading account, we must open it with a broker. So let me show you the steps. What you have to do, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, BozzaTrader, and this is our YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe here. Once you've subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click here on this link. Once you click on this link, you'll be able to, you click on this link here, you click here, and you'll be able to see this option over here. So this is the broker that we're using. So in this case, make sure also you follow us on our WhatsApp group. You become a member there. Make sure that you follow us on our YouTube and our WhatsApp group, and you become a member. So in this case, we click on this link here. If you don't see the link, please don't panic. You'll also you can also look on the comment section, also on the video description. You'll be able to find this link, website link, and you scroll all the way down. You click on open account. Once you click on open account, you'll have to add your email address. Add your email address, and then you check your email address as to we have trader Bozza 7@gmail.com, just like that, and we click on create account. Once we click on create account, we have to check our mailbox within 58 seconds. So we've got only 1 minute to check our email address, and we do this quickly and not wasting time. Then you get this link, you click on it, this email link, and once you get that, you have to click on verify me. You can scroll down here and click on verify me, and this is what you will see. So if you don't see anything here like this, please let me know so that I can assist you much better, because this is way simple and easy. Then you have to add your details and get your account. So now we're creating the account. Country of residence, South Africa, right? South Africa. And citizenship, South Africa. If you've moved to another country, please make sure that you put your country of residence as South Africa. If you're in South Africa, if you're in another country, please do so. So right now, what I'm doing, I'm actually adding a password that I can actually remember. So I'm going to copy this password, and you can also do that when you register. Make sure that the password, it has 8 characters long. At least it has 8 to 25 characters long. It's just, this is just a how you can actually make your password to be, right? Please create password, simple. Make sure that you don't forget the password. Please don't make that mistake of forgetting the password, because it will be you will need it when it comes to logging into the website, right? So that you can deposit, trade, withdraw. Now we click on complete my profile, and simple and easy, right? Simple and easy. And then we click on US dollar, simple, does not take time, and we add our 2 names here. We add, let's say, name here, 2 names. If you have 1 name, you put 1 name here. So I'm just gonna add here. Okay, all right, and then we click on next. Simple and easy. And you date of birth, month and year. Simple, just like that. And then let's change the year to 2000 let me say 2004, and then click on next. Simple, easy, straightforward. Trust you can see. Then you add your number. Make sure that your number is actually the one that you're using. This is demo number that I'm using just to show you, and we add on revenue, additional revenue. Simple, easy. Then employment, self-employed. Simple, easy. And here we click on skip. Simple. Now we enter our address here, Polokwane and Polokwane. Simple. And there we go. 09. Let me say 006, and then just change to this one. Okay, there we go. And then we click next. Simple, easy, straightforward. Then we scroll all the way down here. We click here, we accept. We're not in US. We click here, I'm not a PEP, and create account. Now we've created a wallet account, which is a real account whereby we're able to deposit money and all that. So if you have any issue so far getting to this page, let me know in the comment section below. And also you can actually chat with me, call me, anything, just to make sure that you get your account and everything is sorted on your side. So here we have options, we have safeties, and we have this 000 here. This is the main wallet account where we keep our money. When we deposit money, money will be here. And on CFDs, now we need the real account of MT5, which we can click on get here. Simple and easy. Click on get, and we paste that same password. You remember that password? We paste it here. It's not that strong, so anyway, it's fine. We can click on create account. All right, we can click on create account here, and we have the account. We click maybe later. Now we click on open. Once we click on open here, this is our account, and then we click on this trade with MT5 mobile app, and we paste that password here, and we click on save. All right, simple. If you have anything like authorization fail and on anything like that, please let me know so that I can assist you much better. So now we have the account, we have the main wallet account, and now we have the MT5 account. So we're trying to now sign in so that we can be able to log into the account and see if we can be able to press buy or sell. So this is the account that we have on the MT5. Right, so now the account is here. You can see we have everything here. So now we can click on codes here, and we see the asset that we can actually think of trade here. Simple and easy. Chart is whereby we see the graph, and when it's going up, buy. When it goes down, it's a sell. Trade is whereby we monitor and manage the open trades and the trade that actually running. History, whereby we see the history, the trade that we took, buy or sell, whether we made a profit or loss. So now we can actually click on this icon here so that we can see something, and it says here trading disabled because we don't have money in the account. So we need to deposit money so that it does not so we go back here, we click that arrow, that issue will go away once we have money here. So we click on this times icon over here, and then now we change here because we are on the real account. We want to go to a demo account so that we can be able to buy and sell. Now we've changed to a demo. We are under CFDs, demo, CFDs, contract for difference. That's something that you should know when it comes to what is Forex. So standard account, and we paste that same password. Simple, easy. Then that's the same password, and we click on add account. Simple, easy. Now the account is added successfully. This is demo account, which the account that we can use to trade and practice, but we cannot withdraw this amount of money. We click on open. We repeat a very simple process. We click here, trade with MT5 mobile app, and we paste that password. Simple. And then we click on sign in. Simple, easy. Now we have the demo account, we have the live account, and we can practice on the demo account, this account here. We can practice now. We can go to codes, and we can just scroll, and we can add, even if we want to add, maybe let's say the volatility, and we can add all the assets. Simple and easy. And then we can actually now go back. Simple. And if you scroll down, you can see these are the assets that we've managed to add. Simple. Even volatility 75, we click on the spice icon, we scroll all the way down, we check on volatility, and we go to volatility 75. We click on add, click add everything, and we go back. Simple. And we scroll all the way down, we see volatility 75 and all that. You can see we can tap here and click on chart and click on this icon over here, and now we can be able to buy. When we click buy, we are presented with this, so we click on accept terms and condition and click OK, and now we can actually make a sell or make a buy. Once we click on sell, this is what we see, a lot size here. This is whereby we adjust a lot size. we start from 0.01, not 0.01 like this, but 0.01. So to learn more about lot size, we have another tutorial on this channel. So we click on trade, whereby we monitor the trade as to when we are profiting or we are losing. History, we see the balance, the amount of money that we just deposited, and the fees that we are paying in terms of swap, commission, and all that. But I explain in more detail in my actually videos. So now we can just see we're done. Open the account demo. We can cancel here, and now we can change to what? To real. Simple. Then for you to deposit, it's quite simple and easy, right? You can use your card, you can use e-wallets, and then you can click here on deposit. You can also use that option, but here's another one that you can use, and another option that you can use. You can press on this dot icon there. You come to cashier, and you can actually deposit, withdraw, right? Deposit, withdraw, simple and easy. So one last thing that you have to do is make sure that you click on this icon over here. Okay, they will tell you on what's actually needed from your account. So in this case, account verification is required. So we need to verify the account by submitting our proof of ID and proof of address. Proof of address, you can actually submit what? Submit your bank statement, submit your proof of address using any letter that actually shows your proof of address. So in this case, we can go to account settings and add that. It's quite simple and easy. If you have any difficulties so far as to verifying your proof of identity, please let me know so that I can assist you much better. But so far, we have done opening the account. You have the account. You've seen how you're actually able to deposit and withdraw. But then we'll show you then document issuing country, South Africa. You choose that, simple, all right. And two names and all that. You confirm that. You click on next. You add your names. You check your password, national ID, and then you confirm here. You enter your ID number here, and then you confirm. Then from there you say verify, simple. And then automatically they will verify if you're living in South Africa. But if you're not living in South Africa, then they cannot verify this. So make sure that you submit those documents that they need. Automatically they will actually verify that. And then proof of address also you need to submit, simple. So when it comes to deposit, you can click here on deposit. All right, we have options that you can use when it comes to making a deposit. We have card deposit, or before we have card, let's go to cashier. We have cashier, we have these options. See, this is the main wallet account whereby our money will be here. If we click on this one, you'll be able to see this amount of money. Real account, demo account, real account, demo account. All right, so now I trust you to understand. We have to use this option. We have other options that we can use, but they might confuse you at the moment, but that's actually something that you will understand when time goes on. So we click here and we choose the card deposit. We have e-wallets such as the Skrill, Netella. I will show you, and you can download a Skrill app or Netella app, register e-wallet here. Under e-wallet we have Netella, we have Skrill. We can download these apps, and these apps you'll be able to link your bank card, deposit on Skrill, and then deposit to Derive. And the minimum here, you can deposit $10, simple. So when it comes to card here, you can choose card here. Minimum is $10 to $5,000 maximum per day. And you can click here. The deposit is instant. The money will be in your account, easy, not any difficulties. Okay, so now you add your card number. The expiration date is there in your card. The card security code, the 3 digits on the back of your card is there. The amount that you can deposit is minimum $10. Simple, easy, straightforward. So I trust that it's easy. And then when it comes to withdrawal, make sure that you use sort of other deposit method so that you can actually activate them. When it comes to making a withdrawal, you'll be able to use them. If you're living in South Africa, you can actually use Ozo. You'll see Ozo. And you can just click on all, scroll and see until you see Ozo. You can also use one voucher. You can use ZingPay, and simple. But if you're living in another country, you can also use this app, which is called Airtime. Maybe say you're living in Ghana, you're living in a different country, you can use this app. You can download it from Google Play Store. It will be much easier. You can start depositing from $5, which means it's 100 Rand. You can deposit that and start trading. Simple, easy. Go to cashier. Once you've deposited your money, all right, you must make sure that you transfer it by going to CFDs and transfer your money from the main wallet account here to the CFDs here. you can click on transfer, and then you click on transfer. You will be able to see your main account, and you can just also click here, this three dot icon over here, click on cash here, and click on transfer. It's easy, it's that easy, but you have to have money in the account. Simple. So now there are some of the things that you need to know when it comes to using this broker, which is the regulated broker, best broker for you to trade is synthetic indices, any financial market stocks, the bonds, and all that. But then you must note that the leverage when it comes to trading is dynamic. So meaning that not all assets will share the same leverage when it comes to trading. So you can come to CFDs, click on compare accounts. You can see we have this leverage over here. So the leverage will cut how much money you need. So it's quite simple. And you can also download a DeriveX app from Google Play Store, and you can also use the Derive C Trade. Now this Derive app, right, once you've downloaded it, you still need to open a trading account. You can scroll all the way down. Let's cancel here. We clicked something wrong. Scroll all the way down here. This is the DeriveX account that you can download, and also you can have a Derive C Trader account. And you can click on get here. Now once you click on get this one, when you log into the DeriveX app, you can actually copy paste that same password. You remember that same password, and we click on create. So we're now done with the opening of an account. You have click maybe later, and you can click on open. You can download on Google Play Store, Apple Store, and Huawei Store. That's simple. Then you have the username account and your password, that password that we just pasted now. So you need this username so that you can be able to log into the DeriveX. It's easy, it's not that difficult. So I trust that will be much easier for you. But then I want you to note something when it comes to trading these assets. When it comes to trading this asset, you must understand what we call a lot size. Lot size is not the same, and that's something that you should know by now. Lot size is not the same. So if you're using lot size like this in currencies and you want to trade, make sure that you understand the lot size. And we have another tutorial on this channel. So in this case, if you want to use the app, you can go to Google Play Store and download